Hello friends! So, today I've got a special surprise for you. At least it was for me. Ta-da! So this is IM NAYEON, the very first mini album. And I asked a friend of mine to visit Korea, or I asked a friend of mine that visited Korea to bring me this. And had I known that the albums were so cheap in Korea, I don't know if you're able to see this, I most likely would have done it a few times before instead of buying it online. But I've been waiting patiently in order to open this with you, so let's go. Okay, right off the bat, eyes on me now, here we go. We've got this special seal here. As far as I could understand, this represents an official album. And yeah, I got the Na version, and there was also the Yeon version. Yeah, but I chose this one. I don't know, I like the cute ribbon, I guess. And I will also have this stuff inside. So let's see what this is before we start with the album. Okay, lots of goodies here. Ha. Okay, so I got the M from IM NAYEON, and I saw her video presenting the album, and if once is fortunate enough to be able to get all of them, you are able to combine them all because the background is transparent, and you are able to get IM NAYEON with very different outfits. And yeah, I got the M one, which is one of my favorite outfits, so I'm lucky. Then I got this card. Sorry about that. Yeah, stability. Okay. And this Yeon photo shoot. And also this. And this one with the big hat. So those are my photo cards. And here we have, I believe, my small poster. And in the back, in the Korean, some questions. And also I remember there was notes from the rest of the band. Yeah, so here is from Sana, a dedication to NAYEON, and also from Gio. Unfortunately, I can't read Korean yet, so I don't know what it says. Maybe someone will be able to translate. Okay, on to the album. So we got a very pretty bluish tone. Okay. And the lyrics for Pop, which was one of the greatest, if not the greatest, summer jam that released last year. Oh, here we have the towel from Louis Vuitton that was reworked into a dress, and it was all the rage back last year. And yeah, wow, these are really great pictures, really great. I loved the style of the towel, transformed into a dress. Very cute. Wow. Okay, I have more pictures with this concept than I was expecting. When I saw the Na concept, it seems to be mostly with the big hat. Okay, here are the lyrics for No Problem, with Felix from Stray Kids. Very good song. And all in English, which is fantastic for people like me who want to sing along. The footwork is exquisite. Okay, still more. All right, now we reach another concept, and Love Countdown. I don't remember the name of the artist that was invited now, sorry, but yeah, a very good song also. So cute. The gloves. Candy Floss, which was written by a member from Little Mix. Maybe her name is here. Jade. Jade from Little Mix. Wow. Yo. I love this one. Wow. Very nice. It got the orange in midair. Yeah, this very cute concept. And All or Nothing Now, which according to Spotify was my most listened to song of the year of 2022. So I guess you can say I like it. It was written by Nayeon herself. So I obviously listened with a little bit more attention. Oh, okay. So here we reach the concept that I thought the Na album was going to be mostly about, so I guess we're going to get lots of pictures in this one. Big braids and enormous hat. And the lyrics to Happy Birthday to You. You can listen to that one when it's your birthday. At least that was her desire. Here she really looks like Yuna from ITZY. Some more pictures. And the lyrics to Sunset, which is a relaxed and low key. Forgot the name. But yeah, a more mellow song with a pretty sad lyrics if you look at them closely. And yeah, some more photos with this concept. And that's it. Here we got the code, and the album itself is just like this. Okay, that was it. Thank you for tuning in, and this was a great album. I will definitely cherish it and put it in my car ASAP so that I can still enjoy the summer. Thank you, friends. See you next time. Bye.